Hello and welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK. I'm just using my secateurs to take these little olive shoots off the bottom of this olive tree. This is one of a series of videos in which I demonstrate my essential gardening tools. And of course the hope is that you may see your way fit to clicking through to my Amazon storefront and buying something. That will result in a small commission to me, and every penny I make goes back into my gardening projects, and that makes my YouTube channel more sustainable, so I really do appreciate your support. These are my sort of retro looking Kingswood secateurs. You'll find those in my Amazon storefront, and this is a little set which has got various different types of SNIPS and secateurs, ranging from bypass secateurs to anvil secateurs. Have a look please if you don't mind. And if you can see your way to buying something from my shop, I really do appreciate it. And the brilliant thing about it is it doesn't have to be a gardening product. Anything you purchase in your shopping session will result in a commission to me. And once again, I do appreciate your support. Thanks again, and I'll see you soon for some more garden tool adventures. Bye for now.